Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. You must be fine company today. First of all, I would like to advise all my students to please focus on the whiteboard and listen to me carefully. Listen to me attentively. Okay? Don't play with your pens and pencils. Just listen to me. Start listening to me. Stop writing. You may write later on. But first, get the understanding. There may be a question like this: tick mark the option that underlined words belong to. Okay, it may be a question in the examinations, or question may be like this in the examination. Okay, this is just a question, as it's a sample question. Okay, but what I want to do here is to make you understand what is direct object, what is indirect object, and what is subject complement, what is object complement. Direct object is an object which is firstly affected by the action of the verb. Okay, and indirect object is an object which is affected by the action of the verb later on. Okay, or the object that receives the action of the verb first, that is called direct object, and the object that receives the action of the verb later is called indirect object. You come to me, Osama. Okay, please. I have action of giving starting from here. The moment I pick the duster, teacher gave duster to Osama. What is direct object and what is indirect object? The teacher gave duster to Osama. Who is direct object and who is indirect object? Action of giving started the moment I picked the duster.
Teacher is direct object.
Okay, and duster is receiving the action of giving first. Okay, so duster is the direct object. Okay, and gave to someone, then action of giving is received by, you can say, Osama. Okay, Osama is the indirect object. Clear? Sit down, Osama. Or the duster is received by Osama, that is action of giving is affecting Osama later. That's the indirect object. Let me give you another example. Ali painted the garage last Saturday. Okay, what is garage? Action of painting is firstly received by the garage. That is, garage is direct object. Clear? Because it is action of painting is directly affecting garage. Clear? Next one, she is nervous. She is nervous. What is nervous? Object complement. Why object complement? Because it is completing the object. If I simply say she is, definitely there will be a question in your mind what she is. Okay? So she is a subject and nervous is completing the subject. And the word that completes the subject is called subject complement. Clear? The word nervous is completing the subject. That is the reason this nervous is a subject complement. Mother looks very angry. Okay. What is angry? What is mother? What is mother? Subject. Okay. And what is angry? Subject complement, because It is angry is completing the mother. If I simply say mother looks very
angry.
it is giving a sense but incomplete sense. Some sense doesn't complete, okay? So sense completes when I put the verb angry or write the word angry over here after very, okay? Next one is Ahmed left a message for me. What is me? What is me?
Indirect object.
How come? How come it's an indirect object? Ahmed? A message. Action of leaving is, received by a message first and then received by me later. Okay? That's the reason this is a direct object. Message is a direct object because action of leaving is directly affecting the message. For example, this is the message, okay, and I left it for you, okay. You say, for example, look at me, this is the message, I left it for you, and you say, Sir Irfan left a message for us. So which one is direct object and which one is indirect object?
Message is direct object.
Message is direct object because action of leaving is affecting the message first. Okay. And later on us. Us is the indirect object. Clear? Are you getting my point? That's the reason us is indirect object and message is a direct object. Next one is the result made him happy. The result made him happy. What is happy?
Object complement.
Object complement why?
Because it completing the object.
It is completing what is object then?
Him.
Him is the object. It's object complement rather. It's not object complement. Him is the subject complement. Action of making is first affecting him, then
Happy.
being received by happy. Okay? So this happy is object complement. Clear? Then she bought her mother a beautiful dress. What is a beautiful dress? What is a beautiful dress?
Direct object.
Why direct object?
Completing the subject.
Action of buying. First she went to the market. She bought the beautiful dress. It means action of buying directly affected
Beautiful dress.
beautiful dress. That's the reason beautiful dress is a direct object. Okay? And later on she gave it to mother. Clear? That's the reason mother is what?
Indirect object.
Indirect object. Clear? Uncle Rashid ate his lunch in silence. What is his lunch? Action of eating is directly affecting
His lunch.
his lunch, it's a direct object. Clear? And then next one, Abdul called his cousin a fool. What is a fool? What is a fool?
Object complement.
Object complement. Yes, well, we may call it an object complement. Okay. Because this is an object and it's completing the fool is completing the object. Okay. We may call it an object complement. Okay. Abdul called his cousin a fool. It's an object complement because it is completing the object. This is the object. Okay. Clear? That's the reason. And if I simply say Abdul called his cousin, does it make any sense? It makes sense but not a complete sense. Okay. A sentence isn't complete. Okay. So that's the reason, until and unless we put some word or we write some word over here that completes it, completes the object, okay, this sentence doesn't give a complete meaning. Okay, that's the reason it's an object complete. And it may also be a direct object or indirect object. It may also be
direct object.
action of calling is
Direct.
directly affecting
Cousin.
cousin. Directly affecting fool or cousin?
Cousin.
I think he omitted the word fool. You are fool? Okay. Okay, we'll discuss it later on. But right now, it's an object complement. Clear? Later on, we'll discuss these things. Anyway, if you have any question or queries in your mind, you may ask me. Till then, have a nice time. Allah Hafiz. Thank you very much.